All fail.
Internet weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio.
Right? That's fail. You got to test again, seriously.
Now here is the hazardous weather
Take two.
portions of central and southern. The warning alarm. 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. Wait. Radios are automatic deactivated. The HAZ tests are normally specified as every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If your weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for site-specific watches, warnings, and statements affecting central to southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal program. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin for today and tonight.
Alright, so first test was a fail. Nothing, it did the off the air message, so anyways, at least it worked this time. There was a voice that got in and did all this stuff. MPX's tests are usually use the live voice instead of the text-to-speech. But anyways, all 6 weather radios activated for the test. This one only activated for the second test. All the others activated for both tests. So that's sort of a bonus for me. This one also did activate for the test. But anyways, these 3 radios were on KEC 65 on channel 7. This was on... Crap, let me get that real quick. This was on WNG675 Norwood on channel 2. And the Sanjian and the HH54 were on WNG676 Clearwater. So, I'm glad that all the weather radios activated for this test, and most of them activated for the fail test. But anyways, that was pretty much it for today's test. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more Supercell EAS content. That's it.